You know what it takes to grow your business, stay ahead of the competition, take good care of your customers, and keep costs to a minimum. But keeping up with the software applications and technology that connect your customers, employees, and vendors is a constant challenge. While you want to give your employees the best productivity tools, software licenses are expensive, and sometimes those applications just don't deliver what you expected. Your managed service provider has the solution with an innovative program that gives you access to tools that can fuel your growth with no capital outlay. Your business doesn't grow in a straight line. The Intel AppUp Small Business Service and Intel Hybrid Cloud Platform combine hardware, software, and IT management in one scalable, affordable package so you can fine-tune the cost of technology to support fluctuations in your business. If you have reservations about keeping your data in the cloud, then Intel Hybrid Cloud is the perfect answer. Your data stays on-site and under your control. Remote management by your managed service provider gives you all the benefits of cloud computing. With the Intel AppUp Small Business Service, you can instantly add the applications and services you need to respond to changes in your business. Licenses are automatically included in your monthly subscription fee. Dream big and be ready to support your plans for growth with pay-as-you-go, pay-as-you-grow. You control your IT budget with the functionality and user access that you need. You know what it takes to run your business, and at Intel, we're trying to make it a little easier. To find out how the Intel AppUp Small Business Service and Intel Hybrid Cloud can help your business keep up with technology and save money, talk to us today.